Okay, hi guys. Today I have different cheeses. And so I have Asiago, sharp cheddar, then I have Munster, then I have Gouda, then I have Greek cheese. So remember those because I'm not going to say it. So the first one I'm going to have is Asiago, and this is kind of hard, so I don't know what this is gonna taste like. So I'm gonna start. Ew, I don't like that. A Good Mythical Morning Cup. You should go and watch that. I'll leave a link down below. No, not good. I think it was sharp cheddar. I think this is going to be better, but I never even liked sharp cheddar, but it's going to be better. Trust me. This is just hard. I seriously don't know. It's not that bad, but I know it's better than that. Whatever this was is bad. I see the sharp cheddar is in the lead. I like that. Next one is Munster. My dad liked this one, so I'm curious what this one's gonna taste like. So I'm gonna taste that. I don't know. Tastes good. I kind of like this, but I'm not sure. My reaction was this. So, now I'm going to try. Oh my gosh. I forgot. Gouda. I think last time I liked Gouda, but I'm not sure. This doesn't look right. This doesn't look right. I'm going to try it. I do not like that. Last time I did, but that was probably a different cheese. No, that was not good at all. Last one is Greek cheese. I'm excited to try this because it's really soft. Really good looking. It has little stripes on there. You can see. And I'm going to try it. This one wins. It's the best. So, I like, Greek cheese doesn't taste that good. So I think sharp cheddar wins. About Good Mythical Morning, they're really funny. They do weird songs. They have their morning talk show. It's really good. Well, please subscribe and like, and don't try all these cheeses. Just try sharp cheddar. Bye.